Are you thinking about becoming a mobile app developer? Well, in this video we are going to explain the training and skills you need to become a successful mobile app developer. Before that, we should recall a brief intro about the mobile app development process. Working with the client to produce a video game, social networking app, or any other kind of software that will be used on a mobile phone or tablet is the primary responsibility of a mobile app developer. Nowadays, mobile apps are built to run on two main platforms. One is the iOS operating system from the most popular smartphone brand in the world, Apple. iPhone smartphone range from Apple is powered by the iOS software. The second is Android from Google, which is most widely used across the world in smartphones of different brands. Essential training and skills to become a mobile app developer. Mobile app development differs slightly from conventional software development, because mobile platforms have limited and valuable resources like memory, compute cycles, storage, and bandwidth. The majority of serious mobile app development takes place inside the framework of one or more mobile development platforms. You will need to learn different frameworks and tools like Kotlin, Flutter, and Swift to develop your mobile application, which can run on different smartphone operating systems. Kotlin. Over 60% of experienced Android developers use Kotlin, a contemporary statically typed programming language, and it is 100% interoperable with Java. That increases productivity and code safety. Netflix, Zomato, and Uber are some of the most popular apps made using Kotlin. Swift. Apple developed the efficient and user-friendly programming language Swift for creating apps for iOS, Mac, Apple TV, and Apple Watch. Since it is open source and simple to use, it provides developers greater freedom than before. LinkedIn, Bitmoji, Truecaller, and Twitter are some of the most popular apps made using Swift. Flutter. Google developed Flutter, an open-source UI software development kit. From a single code base, it is used to create cross-platform apps for both Android and iOS as well as Windows and the web. Hamilton, Google Ads, and Alibaba are some of the most popular apps made using Flutter. Why choose Apex TG India for mobile app development training? A team of highly expert trainers leverages a defined methodology that helps identify opportunities and develop the most optimal resolution to provide the best mobile app development training to every candidate. Placement experts at Apex TG India actively coordinate with every candidate to ensure their placement assistance. Apex TG India also places students with excellent performances in various mobile app and software development companies abroad. After the completion of their training, we provide live projects to candidates in coordination with our IT and development team. Apex TG India Private Limited is located at E20, Sector 63, Noida. You can call us at 8588889597 or 9990060296. You can also email us your inquiry or any type of query on info@apextgin.com. Please visit apextgin.com for more information about all IT training courses we offer.